ट्रकाचेर जो रोड टॅक्स आहा तो माफ केल्लो आहा सरकारान. बार्ज टॅक्सूय आमी कन्सिडरेशनाक चालू आहा, म्हणजे फायल मुवमेंट जाले तेजी ते आमी कन्सिडर करतले. खंय तरी गोंयच्या लोकांक सपोर्ट करपाक जाय सरकारान ह्या टायमार, म्हणून हे बार्ज टॅक्स पासून आमी तांकां आयदर कन्सेशन ओ वेव आउट करपाचें डिसिजन फायनली फायनान्स मिनिस्टर, चीफ मिनिस्टर घेतलो.
तेल गळती काडपी ही नवी बोट मांडवी ड्राय डॉकात 5 कोटी मोडून बांधल्या.
You know, in the river there could be various reasons for an oil spill to occur. It could be a collision between two vessels. It could be grounding of a vessel. And any other reason, there could be due to aging, there could be a puncture in their bunker tanks which carries fuel. So all these reasons, there could be an oil spill in the river. So this vessel, if the stakeholders are aware of this, they will immediately inform our control room, and our control room will disseminate the information to the master of the vessel.
For this oil spill vessel, ML Sharwani PNJ 800. It is built by Mandavi Dry Docks, Panaji at a cost of 4 crores 18 lakhs. It will be stationed at Britona, and whenever we receive a call that there is a oil spill, this vessel will immediately go with another vessel to fill in the oil, and we will get the oil to the shore and send it for treatment or other facilities.
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे.